Is your keyboard lagging in your iPhone after the iOS 26 update? This usually happens due to background tasks, cache issues, or new system bugs. But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to fix iPhone keyboard lag on iOS 26. So let's get started. Solution 1. Disable Predictive text and auto correction. First, open up the Settings app, then tap on General. Now scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Keyboards, scroll down again. Now toggle off the auto correction if it's turned on, and then toggle off the predictive text as well. Solution 2. Turn on Reduce Motion. Go to Settings, scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on Accessibility, then tap Motion. Now simply toggle on the Reduce Motion. This reduces the visual effects and animations in iOS, which can sometimes free up system's resources. If you're still facing the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 3. Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Go to Settings again, then tap General. Now scroll down to the bottom. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Next, tap Reset. Then tap Reset Keyboard Dictionary. Enter your passcode if prompted and confirm. This clears all custom words you've taught your keyboard. A corrupted dictionary can sometimes cause lag. And this is how you can fix your iPhone keyboard lag on iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like button, and if you have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, goodbye for now, I'll see you in the next video, till then, stay tuned.